Really still kind of weird. Fortunately, nothing seems to have blown up like too aggressively in any direction. Like, I want to emphasize this, literally nobody that I know is upset that I've done anything. So all the people who are like, she's destroyed her career, like, most people know that this shit happened because they were there as it happened. And everybody else, like, they're fully aware of what happened to me at Blizzard. This is not some small secret. Like, even as it was happening, the people who couldn't do anything were pissed that they couldn't do anything about it the entire way.